press the wall button, this is what you hear. Very loud grinding sound. All right, we got our LiftMaster, Chamberlain LiftMaster 1/2 horsepower pro screw drive. Okay, screw drive, and we're gonna be changing the coupler today. All right, your coupler right there. Okay, right in the top, right there. You can see it's broken. That's where you're getting that loud grinding sound. You're getting a rotation right in here. Okay, this is rotating, but you have nothing grasping it, so it's just flapping. You get that loud grinding sound. First thing we're gonna do, you wanna take a 7/16, and you're gonna take off these two right here. All right. And what we'll do is once we remove these, we can actually slide the motor and the rail apart just a hair to get that coupler out and slide the new one in, okay? I'll show you in just a second. We got this taken off. We got the nuts and bolts out. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna separate the motor and the rail. Okay. So we'll put the new coupler in here. We'll push the motor and the rail apart. You'll get a larger gap in there to slide this right in. And I just separated the motor just a hair, and I was able to slide the new coupler in place, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in place, lock it, lock the punch angle, and then we'll test it, all right? Secure our 7/16 nut and bolt right there, okay? Got a new coupler in there. Everything is tightened. These are tightened back up. Got this tightened back secured. Nice and tight. We'll go ahead and lock our carriage back and plug our unit in, and we're gonna test her. Just like that. All right, good to go. Coupler replacement on a LiftMaster 1/2 horsepower pro.